Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know who am I, my name is Inta Raihana and I always do beauty, fashion and lifestyle contents on my Instagram as well as other social media platforms, but on YouTube I always do travel vlogs. However, this time around we're gonna change things up a little bit and we are going to do a video on what I usually do before I go on the trip. We're going to be doing a lot of things, okay? We're going to do eyebrow threading, press on nails, dyeing and cutting my hair, Shein haul. I'm going to be talking about the driver and the makeup artist that I'm going to be hiring. What else? Oh, my facial, my monthly facial. That's a need before any trip. I think that's it. I also think I need to run to Sephora really quickly to grab a few things that is essential for this Bali trip. As per usual, before we start this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel so that I can create more videos just like this. So without further ado, let's jump right in. I almost forgot, but we are also going to be collecting my wedding gown because I'm going to have my pre-wedding shoot in Bali at Black Lava. Okay, so I am ready to go out. It takes roughly about 20 to 30 minutes for me to walk to the threading place and then another 20 to 30 minutes for me to come back to my house. So this is what I'm wearing. Let's go. Finally at Pasir Ris, and yes, I'm at a freaking staircase, but that's because I just finished work and I do not have time to film an intro. And as you can see, I definitely need a touch up. You can see the browns already. Let's go get my hair darkened. Good morning you guys. Today is gonna be the busiest day of my life. We are going to be working from home for a few hours and then after that I'm gonna head out and do my nail appointment and then head to the building beside it for my facial with Clifford Clinic. After my facial, I'm gonna be heading to Orchard for a PR event. It's called Titanium Lifting, and then after that I need to head all the way to Ang Mo Kio to collect my wedding gown for my pre-wedding shoot in Bali. And then I'm gonna have like dinner with my fiance. Before that, I'm also gonna be doing a Shein haul before I go out. So yeah, obviously we do not have enough time, so let's start. Okay, so time for my Shein haul. Let me show you guys what I have. I was so scared that my Shein was not gonna come before my Bali trip, but I'm glad it did. I actually wanted a white bag that I could bring around Bali because I will have a few things to bring. So cute. So this is the very first clothing item that I want to show you guys. I really love how this one looks on me. It is obviously a little bit big, so I need to do an alteration. It's super long because I'm short AF, but other than that I feel like the sizing fits perfectly, and this is so amazing for your Bali trip because it is flowy. It is also a little bit dressier since I'm also going to be spending the first few days to work in Bali for meetings. So this is what I got for that session. Did I just say session? But yeah, we're supposed to wear like smart casual, so I thought I need to be comfortable but still dressy at the same time. I think I'll be returning this one. I don't really like how it looks on me. It should be tighter over here. Okay, so this is the dress. Very basic but still very flattering. I really love this like detail. And another dress, this time in yellow. I don't know if I could pull off yellow. I don't know. I do have to say that it's kind of long, so I don't know how am I supposed to walk around with that, but I'll figure it out. I don't know what's with everything being long. I have to alter this one as well because this is actually my airport fit. Oh guys, but it is so super duper comfortable. The only thing I don't like about this is that there's no pocket, but girl, I'm gonna focus on aesthetic. And it also has hoodie at the back. Then we also have this really cute pleated dress. I think out of all, this is the most appropriate one for Bali. Like, I'm gonna be so comfortable in this. Okay, then I also want to show you guys that I got a few more stuff. This is like a nipple covers, a really cute bangle to wear around my arm, favorite pair of earrings. I got 8 of these. I need to stock up. And the last thing that I got it in pink color, and I don't know why, but 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, I always check my order before I check out, okay, because I've ordered something twice before, and this time around it's even worse. There's 4 of them, and to be honest, right, I did not even want to order the earrings, like 8 pairs of it, but I ended up getting 8 pairs. I thought I only got 2. There must be an app glitch. I keep on trying to reach out to Shein, but yeah, their customer service is not really fantastic. Now that the Shein haul is done, I'm gonna be finishing up my coffee, and then I'm gonna start getting ready. Crazy busy day. By the way, guys, I also got myself this dress, which is super pretty, but I don't think this is for Bali, so that's why I did not include it in the video earlier, but I thought it's really nice that I should show you. Guys, I'm so pissed at myself because I just missed my appointment. I was only 2 minutes late, and I know it is my fault. I'm not blaming the company or the brand or whatever, but I cannot believe I didn't think that they would cancel my appointment for only being 2 minutes late. It's a little bit sad, and they have an appointment later, but it clashes with my PR event, which I pretty RSVP'd yes to. So yeah, I have no choice but to rush everywhere today. Plans have changed by a lot. Yes, I secured another nail appointment at another place. I'm so thankful for the person, and I am going to show you guys what this place is all about.
Hi guys, so something happened and I'm flying off tomorrow, and I literally just lost my DJI wide angle lens. I am actually super duper pissed, but I'm trying to remain calm, and I saw that DJI is available on iShop Changi. However, I don't think they sell the lens just by itself. Up until I reached Tampines, and then I don't have it anymore. Hi guys, so I finally picked myself up, like literally picked myself up from the floor. It's fine, we can find another wide angle. We can find another wide angle. Anyway, I have showered. I am currently packing. It is 11 p.m. right now, and I have just started packing. I know it is insane, it is crazy. I haven't even tried my wedding dress, so we're gonna do all of that right now. So before I start, I really just want to show you guys what I got from Sephora earlier. Ta-da! This is when I was still happy. So first, I actually just got, I went to Sephora to get a restock of this because mine is running out. The salicylic acid exfoliating scalp treatment. If you guys have oily hair, or like you always have product buildup, this is the way to go. Like, you have to trust me on this one. It is recommended by Dr. Shein Idris as well. So this is how the product looks like. To be very honest, I went to Sephora to get that one product only, but I found out that there's a 20% sale for gold members, so I decided to get more items. And this is actually the Sol de Janeiro Bam Bam Body Firmeza oil. This is how she looks like. Super fancy, but oh my god, it's glass. Now I'm scared because I feel like luck is not on my side. I've been obsessing over this lip oil from Crave Beauty, and I really love how sustainable it is. All the packaging and the way they do their research and everything, the ingredients. And the amazing thing about this is the fact that it is refillable, so you can buy these refills like separately at a cheaper price. Anyway, about the driver, I'm actually gonna put it right here, like the driver that we are gonna be hiring. My fiance always
hire him when he's over in Bali. This is my first experience with him, so I'll definitely update on my Instagram. This driver charges us, to be honest, almost the same as other Bali drivers. I'm pretty sure you guys can get like cheaper ones, but I usually pay this much, so it's around 550 Indonesian rupiah to 600,000 rupiah. What else? I spoke to him over the phone, and he seems like a very fun guy, like someone you would have fun with during a trip. So that's why I decided to go with his driver instead of mine. This is the makeup artist that I'm gonna be working with. I hired her for 2 days, one for my gala night and another one for my pre-wedding shoot. So super excited about that one. Currently 2 a.m. right now. I am technically still packing because my mom is still altering my some of my clothes, but I have also finished packing the rest of the items. I mentioned before that I'm going to be bringing 2 luggages. I know it's a little bit crazy, but this one has my wedding dress, my skincare, my body care, my hair care, my makeup, my outfits for the rest of the trip. This one has more of my work stuff, like 1 pajamas, 1 work outfit, another work outfit, which is just pants, by the way, because we're gonna get like a t-shirt, some of my lady stuff, and then I'm also gonna be putting all of my chargers here because you cannot check them in. I also have emergency coffees in case I don't like the one in Indonesia, extra claw clip. I'm also gonna have my gala night dress. Hey guys, I think there is nothing else. I'm super duper exhausted today. Like, oh my god, yesterday was also crazy. I honestly just want to go to bed and sleep. With that being said, I'm gonna close off this video, and don't forget to watch for my Bali vlog. Bye.